Welcome back, beautiful people. Emerald C here with a fresh drop from Fenty Beauty, the Soft Lit Luminous Longwear Foundation in shade 385. Let's go ahead and get into it because you already know when Rihanna puts her name on something, it's a moment. So first off, this packaging is definitely giving luxe, clean, sleek, and lightweight. This ain't just makeup, it's an experience, y'all. And we love a foundation that looks just as good on the vanity as it does on our skin. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch and apply. Now this formula is lightweight but buildable, blending like a dream with a brush or a sponge, just giving hydration, glow, and just the right amount of coverage without looking cakey. And the finish, y'all, it's soft, luminous. It's very much so giving skin light. That is it. I woke up like this, flawless. It's Fenty type of glow, y'all. And can we talk about the undertone? Shade 385 is hitting just right. Warm, golden, and no ashy vibes in sight. Rihanna, you did that. Now, let's break it down. Why this foundation is already one of my favorite. It's long wear and breathable. It holds up all day without feeling heavy. It's hydrating and luminous, so it's perfect for that natural, healthy glow. It's not too dewy and it's not too matte. Now, I have oily skin, especially in my T-zone, and this right here does the job. It blurs and evens out the skin tone. My complexion ends up smooth and flawless, very much so even. It has skin-loving ingredients, so it kind of keeps the skin hydrated and fresh, so we're looking good with or without makeup, y'all. So do I recommend this? Absolutely. This is the type of foundation that works for the everyday glow and the full glam. So if you love a natural, luminous finish that lasts, Fenty came through for us, y'all, once again. Before we wrap this up, let's go ahead and add a little spice because you know Fenty Beauty always has a little extra sauce to it. Now, her secret glow formula, sis did not just slap her name on this. This formula actually contains hyaluronic acid to keep your skin hydrated and plump all day long. So basically, Rihanna's out here blessing us with skincare and our makeup. Thank you, Queen. Now, the Soft Lit name is international. This is because it gives you that natural candle-lit glow like you're walking around with the perfect lighting 24/7. No flashbacks, no harsh lines, just soft, diffuse radiance. Rihanna wears the shade 385. Okay, so not exactly, but she actually wears the shade 345. So if you're around 385 like me, we're kind of basically Rihanna's foundation cousins, and that's a whole flex, y'all. Now, this foundation is also sweat and humidity resistant, right? So summertime, concerts, outside in the heat, like this foundation holds its own. Rihanna made this for all day slay no matter the weather. It can survive a Barbados summer or my errands in 90-degree heat here in Philly. So yeah, soft, lit, luminous, it's the real deal. Rihanna, we appreciate you, and our skin is thriving because of it. That's it for today's review. So if you are a beauty lover, I need you to stop doing what you're doing right now and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. And let me know what you think in the comments. Do you have this foundation? Have you tried the Soft Lit foundation yet? Are you a matte or luminous girly? Let's talk about it. And until then, I will see you in the next video. Toodaloo.